Hi friends, welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn about the three most important things that you have to consider before writing any ad copy or before producing any video for your advertisement or any image, right? So the 3 point is, first is hook, second is story, and third is one valuable, one best offer, right? So all the ad copy is divided into three layer. First layer is hook, second layer is stories, and third layer is a best offer that you can create, right? So let's go to each by one and we'll discuss about hook, story, and offer. So first thing, let's understand the psychology of Facebook user, right? So for any marketing guys, you need to know about your targeted audience. You need to know about your targeted client whom you are targeting, their psychology. Okay, so let's understand overall psychology of Facebook users. So why anybody uses Facebook? So they use it to share their interesting things, they use it to share their important things, to share funny things, to let others know what I believe in and who I really am, to recommend a product, service, movie, book, to add support to cause, organization, to share unique things, to let others know what I am doing, to add a thread or conversions, to show I am in the know. Okay, so they're using to show others what they are. Okay, they're using to show their day-to-day life. They're using to get connect with their friends, relative, and with their friends, right? And why marketers use? So marketers use Facebook for build their brand, to get the lead from the Facebook, for making sales, okay, and to target ideal client on a Facebook. So Facebook, the monthly user base of Facebook is 2 billion across the world, right? So so marketers using Facebook to get the lead, okay. So so why I am talking about the three things that are very important for any creating any ad copy. Okay, the first thing I'm talking about the hook. Why hook? So nobody goes to Facebook looking for the advertisement, right? They go there for a different purpose. Okay, they go there to share their on day-to-day life. They go there for connecting others, right? So they are not searching for your solution. They are they are there with a different intent, and then you interrupt them with your advertisement, right? So that's why we are using hook. So hook is nothing but a headline, a catchy headline, or any video or any image that get the audience attention, right? So you have to write some headline that easily connect to audience pain point, that that easily grab the attentions of your customer, or they can pause on your advertisement, they can look about your advertisement, what the complete advertisement, what the product and services you are offering, and what the solution you are giving, right? Let's take one example. If I am salesman, I am browsing my Facebook account, okay, and just I checked one advertisement, and headline is, are you fed up of hearing I will get back to you after every sales call with your prospective client? So if I am a salesman and I watch this advertisement in a video form or in a headline, okay, so this is really catching my attention. Why is catching my attention? Because this is my pain point as a salesman. My pain point is no one is call me back after hearing my uh, sales pitch and others thing. Okay, so I need to identify the problem, right? What the problem in my communication, what the problem in my sales pitch. Okay, so I always looking for my untold pain problem solution, right? So if I checked any advertisement who are connecting with my problem, with my untold pain. So I go and I check about this advertisement, right? So this is all about first line, first layer, hook. Okay, so what as a marketer you should identify what pain point are they struggling with about your customer, what their emotional state, what are they dealing with in their day-to-day life. If you take the time to figure out that out, it's all laid out in front of you, then the ad copy is easy. That what most people are missing, the why. Okay, so you need to identify as per your product and services, okay, what the pain point you are solving with your product. So this is all about hook. So I would like to show you one example. So this advertisement is talking about living away from home, missing your mother's cooking. Food at door has the perfect food and deal for you, right? So if I am living away from my home, right? So I'm missing my mother's cook. I always miss my mother cook. Okay, so if I check this advertisement, this is talking about home cook, because I always went to hotels, I always went to restaurant, or I always used Swiggy, Zomato to order my day-to-day, or even I stay at a PG, right? So I'm missing daily my home cook food. Okay, so if someone plays this advertisement, living away from home, missing your mother's cook, so this ad easily grabbed my attention, right? And then let's check others thing. So the second point is unexpected solution. Okay, then I checked what the solution they are giving. Okay, so with hook they grab my attention, then I checked the solution. Okay, what the product and services they are offering, what the technology they are offering. Okay, what, so they are offering try out an exclusive deal of zero cost test meal and enjoy homely food away from home. Okay, so they talking about कि they will give the food at your door with zero cost, right? So you no need to pay daily basis on daily basis. Okay, so now this is the unexpected solution. Okay, the third layer is available in money saving monthly package limited offer order away. So now they are creating a hype, okay, with their best offer. Their best offer is this is a money saving, or this comes in a monthly package, right? So with this ad they create one hook, then they give us unexpected solution with the value offer with with the hype creation, right? So anybody can check about this product and services. Okay, so let's move to one video first, then we'll talk about later on what the video, how video advertisement can catch our attention.
What?
Havells, wires that don't catch fire.
Right. So in this advertisement, what Havells trying to convey messages. So they convey messages to their audience. Their pain point is कि their wire, their electric wire could catch a fire, okay, with when they are come closer to any hot things or any in a hot weather, they can it will catch fire, right? So they connecting to those audience who are fear, okay, and they are searching solution for this problem, right? So this ad easily connecting to those people who are very scared, who are regularly searching solution on this problem. Ki if they could find any solution, their wire cannot catches the fire, right? So this is the hook and this is the untold story with a single advertisement, they easily catching the they're easily grabbing the attention of their audience, right? So let me go ahead. So there is one example of Jio. If everybody aware about Jio, so how they come to market? They come to market with the small plan. Okay, then they identify their competitor problem. They identify their competitor product and services, their monthly packages. Then they look their customer pain point. What their customer pain point? Okay, so customer pain point is that they have to go ahead for landline, for TV, for their land broadband. They have to book different connections, right? So Jio comes with only one plan, that is home broadband plan. They can get the each and every services in a one plan only, right? So they just identify the problem of the people, they identify the problem of their competitors customer, or they launch the unexpected solution. Now you can see how the Jio going on, right? So this is called the unexpected solution, right? So with this we completed our stories of untold pain in ad copy and unexpected solution. Okay, so you have to write down each and everything about the customer pain point, how you are giving them a solution. Okay, so you no need to just write down about your product and services features, right? So first try to identify the problem of your customer. Okay, just write down about their pain point, how you are giving them a solution, so anybody can go ahead with your advertisement and they can easily convert it into sales, right? So in the next video we'll launch our first traffic generation advertisement. Okay, and we'll understand about the ad set, then what is campaign, what is ad set, what is ad. Okay, if you don't have any website, so I'll tell you how you can integrate InstaMojo or WhatsApp, right? So let's meet in a next video.